YouTube, my name is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my first luxury purchases of 2021. I know it's January 1st, y'all, but I had to go ahead and buy me something, y'all. So I want to go ahead and tell you that the reason I bought these items so early is because I heard from a little birdie that Louis Vuitton was going to be doing a price increase. So I have been eyeing these items for a while, but I'm like, if I'm already thinking about buying them, why would I wait until the price goes up? So I just went ahead and got them. So today I went inside the Louis Vuitton boutique, and despite me searching online for these items for like 2 weeks, why they had these items in the store, y'all. So at the end of this video, I will actually post some clips or like link some clips in of other things that they had in the store, because they be having everything in the store. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then just keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they are. So I got something in this bag, and I got some in this bag. All right, y'all, so we finna do the first unboxing. So I'm gonna do the small one first, and then we'll do the bigger one later. All right, so here we go. Y'all know this is an SLG by looking at it, right? And I was so happy that they put the ribbon on there. See? So this is actually the key pouch in Monogram, and it comes with this. And honestly, you just kind of just use this as a little accessory, but this is something that's really hard to come by, and I've been searching and looking for this for a while. But I figured if they're gonna do a price increase, if they have it, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it. So that's what I got. So this is the first one. It's gonna be hard to see this. Yeah, it's gonna be really hard to see that due to the lighting. Yeah, this is the first one. So we have that. And then this is the next one. And y'all, I honestly was not gonna get this one at first, but after seeing a lot of YouTube videos, I was like, girl, just go ahead and get it. So I done got it, and I'm gonna find great use for her. So here is the next one. Can y'all guess what this is? I'm so excited, y'all. Okay. This is, as y'all know, if you know Louis Vuitton, you know what this is. This is actually the T19, and y'all, this thing is always out of stock. I really love this size. I think this would go good as like a catch-all inside my purse, or I also think that this would just look good as like a little clutch. I have the Toiletry 26, but sometimes I feel the Toiletry 26 is massive. So this right here is gonna be a good alternative to that. So this was this, and you see it's made in Spain. Let's see if we can see the date code on this one. I know that key pouch is really hard to see. Ooh, got all this paperwork in here. So there we go. You see it? So it was, I'm trying to get the focus. There we go. UB, but you can see it was made, I think it's the 48th week in 2020. I think that's what that is. So this is what we have. Let me turn to the other side. But yeah, this is what I am adding to my collection, y'all. And these are normally really hard to find pieces, and I'm just so surprised that this store actually had it. I'm so surprised and so thankful. So I hope y'all enjoyed that double unboxing. I was so shocked that my store actually had these items, because despite me searching the website for about 2 weeks, I walked in the store and they had them straight like that. And I was just like, wow, that is crazy. But shout out to my girl, Sydney. Her name is Sydney White on YouTube. She does luxury unboxings. I will link her profile down below. But she is the one who actually gave me courage to go ahead and make this purchase. But I do plan on adding more to my collection this year. I just got to figure out what exactly I want, because honestly, at this point, I'm getting that purse piece, which is a place that I actually want to be, so I quit buying so much stuff. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something, so you don't miss something. And I will see y'all in my next video. I have someone in Monogram, but they're like, I have everything in here.